Whoa, is that what they mean? GoPro posted a new trailer for the Hero 10 that shows the launch date of September 16. But they also talk about a new era for GoPro. Now what do they mean? Here are 7 theories. I'll also tell you more about that naked GoPro that I mentioned in my video yesterday. So finally, GoPro officially confirmed that yes, there will be a Hero 10. Their trailer shows that the actual launch date will be September 16 at 6 a.m. Pacific time. Now, a quick correction to yesterday's video. I said the photo was from Norway. Actually, it seems to be from Croatia, and the currency is kuna, not kron. But it does seem that the Hero 9 launched in Croatia at around 3,800 kuna. So this shows that there will be a price increase of around 10%. So I think the $499 price for the Hero 10 is correct. Now the other big news is that they mentioned a new era for GoPro. What do they mean? Here are 7 theories. Now mind you, these are only speculation. I could be totally wrong. Now if you want to be cynical about it, the new era could mean GoPro is pushing everyone to join their subscription service. And that's not totally wrong, but I believe that new era means something else. See, a few years ago, Nick Woodman, the founder of GoPro, described GoPro not as a camera company, but as a media company. So they want to become the next YouTube. But how do they make that happen? Now, the key to making this whole thing work is to attract higher quality content. Right now, people would rather share their videos to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. To give people an incentive to make high quality content for GoPro's service, they could help creators monetize their content. So here are 7 theories about how they could make that happen. First, they can help you monetize your videos by putting ads, and you split the revenue between GoPro and the creator. 2, a second way they can help you monetize is by making your videos into kind of like stock videos that people could purchase, and then you could get a cut from that purchase. 3, now you know about GoPro Awards where they give prizes to the top creators. Now the problem with GoPro Awards is that your video has to be so good that it beats out thousands of other people. So for most people, you're not going to be able to get anything from GoPro Awards. GoPro might expand this program so that you get paid even just for views. So you won't have to be one of the very top creators to be able to earn money from GoPro Awards. 4, simply giving money to creators is not going to be enough to make this whole thing work. To make this sustainable, GoPro has to find a way to get more people to watch the content. With more views, it will be easier to attract advertisers, and in turn, their ads are used to pay creators. So, how does GoPro get more viewers? One possibility is that they could reward people for watching GoPro videos. So, for example, you could earn points that can be used towards discounts or accessories, or perhaps extending your GoPro subscription. 5. Now, another way that GoPro can help you monetize your videos is by doing something that's like Patreon, where viewers who love your content can actually pay you to support your content creation. 6. Now, one of the ways that content creators earn money is through affiliate links. But until now, it's been really difficult to become a GoPro affiliate. Now, they could change that so that if you upload content to their service, you'd be eligible to include an affiliate link that will give you commissions if people buy the product that you're showing in your video. And number 7, one more way they could add value to their subscription service is by possibly including Quick for free. They only have around 100,000 people subscribing to Quick at $10 annually, so that's around $1 million of revenue. And GoPro has annual revenues of around $1 billion. So yeah, they can afford to do that. Do you have a better theory, or do you agree with any of these theories? Let me know in the comments. Now, in my video yesterday, I mentioned a new naked action cam. Let me tell you more about it. It's going to be a naked Hero 9 by Tommy Tibachia, aka Oh My God, one of the best FPV pilots in the world. The expected release date is next week. Now the price hasn't been decided, but it's not going to be cheap because you're essentially paying for labor for someone to convert a Hero 9 to a naked Hero 9. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in 360.